What is good, everybody? It is your girl Ari coming right back at you with another video, and today it is all about this new challenge, or I don't know if it's a challenge, but this trending video that's been going around, and it's like I tried following like insert name tutorial, and you're just supposed to try and replicate it and see if you could get it as good as them, or just see if it's actually easy to follow, which is why my hair is like this right now. So yesterday I actually asked you guys, who do you think I should do for hair? I saw a lot of good suggestions, and I ended up picking the Chic Natural. I absolutely love her channel. She's just literally like thebomb.com. If you're interested in seeing how this video is going to turn out, make sure you keep on watching. Also, like, comment, share, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram. Follow me on the gram. Slide in the DMs. Do whatever you gotta do at ari.ftz. This should be really interesting, so yeah, just like in advance. Just like the video. Just like the video. Just do your girl a favor, like the video and subscribe, because you know that's always helpful. Let's just do this. Alright, so I'm just gonna pull up this tutorial right now and I'll start.
Hey everybody, today I'm here with a tutorial on a braided do I did recently. So okay,
so immediately I can tell right now this video might be a little bit of a challenge because her hair is like 10 times longer than mine, so I hope that's not too much of a bump in the road.
Starting with clean stretched hair. To prep for this style, I did my normal wash routine, and then I very lightly blow dried my hair. First thing,
okay, so she says she lightly blowed. She said she lightly blow dried her hair. Tell me how her hair looks so silky, like it literally was just flat iron. This is a light blow dry. This is more than a light blow dry. This is like a medium blow dry. So you can tell we're definitely dealing with two different textures of hair, but that shouldn't stop us, hopefully.
The thing I'm going to do is section off some hair at the front. I'm making a side part going back, and I'm stopping right at my crown. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side.
Wait, hold up, wait. I need my glasses. I can't see. I actually can't see. See, this is why wearing glasses sucks. I can't see what I'm doing. I think it's a deep side part. She made that parting look so easy. I suck at parting. She used the tail end. I can't use the tail end. I'm just going to use the teeth. I think that's pretty decent, don't you think? And what am I saying? This is so crooked. It's more crooked than my teeth. Did you guys? I don't think she parted the back. One second, let me see. Oh yeah, she did. She did like a
I'm making a horizontal part to connect both of those parts I just made, and I'm left with this.
Watch the video, alright? I think you would have known.
I'm going to put that up and come back to this part later. Now for the back, I'm doing 3 sections to make 3 ponytails. For the first one, I'm starting right above.
Okay, slow down, bro. Hold on. This is, I can't see. Maybe I went too far back. I don't think so. This looks like where she stopped. Wow, I ruined my part. Is that straight? I think that's straight. Pretty sure that's straight. That should be straight. So I'm gonna just take an elastic. Okay, we're ready for the next step.
I'm gonna bring that part across.
By the ears.
Just like that. And I want
It's
this
such a beautiful part. Let me see if I can get my part as beautiful as that. I need to see exactly where. I think it was in front of the ear. See, this is where I'm going to take my glasses off, and then I won't be able to see again. I'm going to try and do this with my glasses still on. I feel like hers was still high, even though it's... Okay, let's just do it. Just do it. Okay, I'm going to turn around for you guys. Because she turned around, so I have to do the same thing. Wait. Okay, that did not end the same place, so that means it's not straight. Oh, wait. Why is this so hard? This is supposed to be the easiest part. The corner is supposed to be the hardest part. I think I got it. I think that one's straight. That one has to be straight, right? That has to be good. Okay.
Just like that. And I want this style to be sleek and smooth. So
Me too, girl.
I'm applying
Me
some
too.
gel around the edges. I'm gonna brush it all up into place and make a high ponytail.
Okay, then I'm gonna do that too. So she said gel. I'm just gonna go with Eco Styler gel. Girl, you didn't say what gel you use. Doesn't matter. I was gonna use Eco Styler gel. Add the end of the day, either way, every day, because there ain't no other way. Hey, bars. She looked like she put a little bit, but I got 4C here, so we're gonna just go ahead and put a lot. Okay, let's put some more gel, because there's no way one layer of gel is gonna take care of this. My hair is defiant. Sorry if I'm whispering, y'all. Sometimes when I'm doing my hair, it's just an automatic thing for me to just talk softly. I don't know why. I'm gonna try and keep my volume up. I just had an elastic. Where did I put it? Where did I just... This is a story of my life. I lose elastics, like I lose my composure sometimes. And this is where I pause the video for like 5 minutes looking for the elastic. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I didn't find the elastic, but I found a lot, so I can't lose all of these, right? Okay, we're still brushing. We're still sleeking.
With the remaining hair in the back, I'm going to part that in half.
Wait, girl.
The exact same thing.
Wait. Alright, let's go. Is that enough gel? No, that ain't enough. No. We need to plaster this or it will not stay. Okay. She got this long flowy ponytail. I got this little puff.
Apply some gel, brush it up, and make a ponytail.
I know that one's straight. That has to be straight. That one I took my time on. Okay, I just thought my part is not straight. Okay, wait. Is that better? I don't care. You know what? Whether or not it's better, it's gonna work. That's what we gonna do. Now the back of my hair is super short, so I know I'm gonna have to figure out something for it throughout this video. Look at this. Look at this. My hair's already curling up. This is why anytime I put gel in my hair, I have to put a head tie on like almost immediately. You see what I mean? We'll come back to those later. But I know I'm gonna have to go a little off the rails with this tutorial simply because the back of my hair is super short. So we're gonna have to do a little crochet method that I always do.
In this braiding hair, right out of the pack, it has this rubber band on it, and that's what I'm gonna use to attach it.
I got that.
At the top ponytail.
Okay, so I got like expression here. It's not the same as hers, but this is super long. I'm gonna have to cut this eventually. I'm gonna cut a piece of this and I'm gonna crochet it into the back so I can add some extensions. It looks like that. Maybe this much. I'm gonna add another one because I feel like this is still too thin. Okay, that should be good enough. Now let's continue the video.
I'm bringing my hair through the opening of the rubber band. Okay. Then I'm going to take out a small piece of the braiding hair and I'm going to wrap just that piece around the base of my ponytail. Small piece wrapping around the base. And this secures the braiding hair really good and tight so it stays in place and it also covers up the elastic band. Then I'm just going to pin the end of that piece down with a bobby pin.
Oh wait, I don't have a bobby pin. Hold up. Okay, I got the pins. I'm out of breath. Next.
So now I have my hair and the braiding hair, and I'm taking the braiding hair and placing it on top.
Okay.
I'm going to divide that into 3 pieces and commence to making a braid.
Okay. Yo, this hair is tangling so much.
As I'm doing this, I'm bringing in the rest of the hair and I'm keeping it together as tight as possible so it all looks really uniform and neat. And you also want to try to make it really flush.
Okay, so here's the thing. This hair is tangling like nobody's business. Why is this hair so tangly? This is why I hate expression hair. The only reason I'm using this is because it's all I have. Look at this. What am I supposed to do with this? Okay, what I'm gonna do is I have another set of the same stupid expression here. It's feather tip. It's too short, but at least I can try and get the beginning of the braid going with this and then continue with another set of hair.
Your head as you're braiding down.
Now I need to figure out a way to make this braid longer. I think I have to go back to this chaotic hair. That's where this hair came from. So I'm gonna see if I can find some more scrap hair because this hair is driving me nuts. I forgot I had this. Remember from my ponytail video? Make sure you go check out my ponytail video. I don't think it's thick enough to do the whole part, but I'll use it for the bottom part. Yo, this struggle is so real. I give up. I'm just gonna make it to the end of this video. That's my only goal. You see this tangle? Like, I can't. Oh my goodness, this is a hot mess. How did I manage to turn such an easy tutorial into this huge problem? Okay, so blending two different textures was a really bad idea. I'm gonna take it all out and I'm gonna do it again with just one texture. Y'all see how outside is dark now? And at the beginning of this video it was actually bright. That's how long it's taking me. Bro, I'm so done right now, you have no idea. So we're gonna put the elastic at the end. I'm just like over this right now. You know, you just get to a point where you're like excited to do something, then you're just over it. Like, I'm just over it. Like, I want to be done.
Next thing to do is tackle the front. So you can leave it out like this if you want, but I'm gonna do a little pompadour type of action.
No, we don't do that.
So brushing it all out to make sure it's well detangled. Then with my hair hanging down towards the front, I'm dividing that into 3 pieces and I'm going to make a very loose plait.
A very loose plait. And this is not going to be much of a plait because it's quite short.
So I'm going to take that and fold it backwards. I'm taking the end of the plait and tucking it under itself, and then I'm going to pin that down right where it meets the braid so it all looks connected.
I just ran out of place.
And then after that, you just shape it however you like the shape to be and then pin it down in place. And for the final step, like I always do, I'm going to smooth and shape my edges. So I'm adding a tiny bit more gel right around the perimeter.
A tiny bit. We're about to put a lot bit because look at this. The perimeter of my head is a mess. I swear that was the easiest my edges ever swooped, and I was able to document it for the world to see. This is history, guys. This is actually history. Like, that never happened. Like, what? Say what? I'm sorry, I'm actually gonna have to go off camera to try and do my edges because I can't see. Okay, so basically what I'm gonna do off camera is do my edges, and then I'm gonna put on this head tie or a green one, and then I'm gonna come back and show you my result. Alright, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'll be right back, okay? Yeah, I suck. Honestly, like, I suck. How did I turn such an easy tutorial into such a mess? Like, the style came out so cute on her. Like, she did such a good job at explaining everything. She didn't even put things in fast forward that much. Everything was just super clear. Her hair came out super cute. And then here's mine. If it wasn't for the frizz, if it wasn't for my hair being so frizzy, like everywhere is just frizzy, it would be better. And of course, the elephant in the room, this ponytail or this braid is just not popping. I don't have the right hair, I don't have the right size hair. I clearly can't braid. My parts, yeah, that's another thing. My parts are so crooked. And this I need to shave off. Like, it just didn't, I can't go outside like this. I can't go outside. Anyway, girl, you rock. Why you have to like expose me like this? Like, why you gotta make, she just had to come out here and just expose me in front of all my friends. This is a fail for me. This is sad but true. But, you know, at least hopefully you guys can learn from my mistakes and actually do a better job than I did. I'm definitely gonna try it again someday. Not today, that's for sure. Not today, not this week, maybe not even this year, but I would like to try this style again because I think it's really cute. But yeah, that is it. That is all. Thank you guys so much for watching and bearing with my foolishness. And, you know, for clicking the like button, commenting below, subscribing, duh, because of course you guys are subscribed. Of course you're gonna subscribe. Like, why wouldn't you subscribe? And of course pressing the notification bell. Like, you guys are just bomb.com for doing all those things. I appreciate you, and I just you know, I heart you. Yeah, I'm gonna take this out now after all that work, but it's okay. It was fun. Tell me what video you want to see next. I'll be sure to do it once it's not, you know, too expensive, because, you know, I don't spend like that. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch y'all in the next video. Peace.